about a plugin called Enscape. So Enscape is a real-time rendering and virtual reality plugin which can be used in software such as Revit, Sketchup, Rhino, etc. It is very similar to the plugin called V-Ray, but Enscape is quick and easy to use and provides the same output as V-Ray. So now we will see how we can make a quick video using Enscape.
Open Enscape and click on Video Editor and switch on Show Grid Lines to adjust our view with respect to the grid lines. After that, I will be adjusting my camera view to create the first shot of my video and clicking on Add First Keyframe. Then I will adjust my camera view to the last shot of my video and click on Add End Keyframe. So my first keyframe and end keyframe have been created, and now I will adjust my view to the center of my shot and click on Add Middle Keyframe. So the first keyframe, the middle keyframe as well as the end keyframe have been created. Then I'll click on the middle keyframe and switch on the timestamp to give the duration of my middle keyframe to 2 seconds, and notice how the end keyframe has changed to 5 seconds. And the first keyframe is in 0 seconds. I'll change the timestamp to 4 seconds and notice how the end changed to 10 seconds. So the overall duration of my video is 10 seconds, and I'll play and see the video. So now I'm going to change the duration of a middle keyframe back to 2 seconds so that the video is a shorter video. And I'll click on the play button to see the changes. So now you can see a little more quick short transition happening. Then after it's completed, all my keyframes are ready and timestamp. I'll click on export and I will change the resolution to Ultra HD and compression of maximum and frames per second 30, and click on export and save my video as an MP4 video, and then click on save and export. Then this is our final rendered video.